Correct. Third is columnar epithelial tissue. Correct. Columnar epithelial tissue. Columnar, column. It is derived from the word column. Column is pillar. So this type of tissues are in the shape of a pillar standing, and hence they provide a position and shape to the body. Hence they are called columnar epithelial tissue. Next is cuboidal. Cuboidal epithelial tissue. As the name indicates, these are the tissue which are cubic in form, the form of cuboid. Correct. So epithelial tissue is also divided into the following type of tissue: squamous epithelial tissue, stratified, connective. Of course, this is also a big connective tissue. This is also a big part of our body. It is fluid as well as solid in nature. If we talk about fluid, it is blood or the lymph. And if we talk about solid, it is bone. Okay. So again, connective tissue may be of liquid nature or solid nature. If it is of liquid nature, it will be bone or blood and the lymph, and in solid state it will be of the bone. Now let us start with blood. You know very well about the blood. Blood is a connective tissue, fluid connective tissue, which is contained within by three type of cells, which are erythrocytes, lymphocytes, and thrombocytes, which we also call as RBCs, WBCs, and platelets. Platelets. Correct. So blood is again contained with of three type of cells: the RBC, the red blood cells; WBC, the body barriers; and platelets, the blood clotting cells. The next is lymph. You know very well about this blood. No need to explain much, because in junior classes you have very well learned about the blood. Blood is a connective tissue. It has RBCs. You have also learned about the RBC cells. They are discoidal in shape and bit smaller. They have smooth surface, and they are numerous in number. On the other hand, WBC are bigger in size, larger in size, and fewer in number as compared to that of the RBC. Moreover, they have rough surface circumference. Now platelets are responsible for these are RBCs are responsible for transportation of all type of substances within the body, where they are the useful or the waste. WBC are responsible for the disease fighting system, and that is called the immunity. That means WBC is responsible for the immunity of the body, and platelets are responsible for the process of blood clotting. Now the second type of fluid connective tissue, the lymph, is the most significant feature of lymph is that it is one way unidirectional fluid of the body, or you can say liquid of the body. Now what is this one way? As you know, blood circulates. If I draw a diagram, suppose this is heart, this is body parts, which is all over. So what happened? The blood flows from heart to the body parts, and from the body parts to the heart in a cyclic way. So this is circulating, but in case of lymph, it is not so. The only flow of lymph is, which I said just unidirectional, is from the body parts to the heart. That means from lymph nodes. They are produced into lymph nodes present at various places of the body. Lymph node to the heart, and that's all. That means lymph node. From the lymph node, they are produced from at the lymph node, and from there they travel to the heart and they get vanished. There after there, no existence of lymph is there. Now where does lymph goes? This lymph goes mixed into the blood. However, this we will discuss in later in your next year. That means in 10th class. Presently, be satisfied with the type of fluid connective tissue. Now, next is bone. The solid connective tissue, the bone. Now again, there are different type of hard structures in our body because this bone consists the skeletal system. It also contains cartilages and tendons, ligaments. Sorry, cartilages, tendons, and ligaments. They together, along with the bone, forms the framework structure of our body, and which is called the connective, solid connective tissue of our body. Clear? Again, cartilages, tendons, ligament. You have learned in 7th class, 8th class, and of course you will get them in the higher classes next year in detail. Right? What is cartilage, what is tendon, and what is ligament? You know very well. So no need to again go for them because of that reduced syllabus of yours. Alright, so this was about the connective tissue of your body, the liquid connective tissue and the solid connective tissue. The lymph and the blood, the liquid one, and bones along with the cartilages, tendons and ligaments comes into the solid connective tissue. So our next tissue is muscular tissue. Muscular tissue. Next tissue is muscular tissue. Again, the muscles and as well as the bones together constitute the skeleton system. The muscles and the bones together constitute the skeleton system. So we have discussed about the bones. Now it's the turn to discuss about the third type of tissue, that is the muscular tissue. Muscular tissue. Alright. Now muscles are all over present in our body. Muscles are present all over in our body in different forms.